Hello everyone, welcome in craftingwheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet flower and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please subscribe and share and like this video. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a magic ring as shown now. Then make 3 chains and make 11 double crochet stitches inside that magic ring. Then close with slip stitch and cut our yarn. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I will start with round 2. I close the previous round with the green color. Then I will make slip stitch between next 2 double crochet from the previous row. Then make 3 chains and make 3 treble crochet stitches between the next 2 double crochet from the previous row as shown now. Here I will make 3 treble crochet stitches. Then make 3 chains and close with slip stitch between the next 2 double crochet. Here as shown now I will make slip stitch. Now I made the first petal for the flower. Then I will repeat with the same sequence across the row. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished that crochet flower. That is easy, very very easy crochet flower, and I hope to admire you. Please, if you admire you, please will you subscribe and share and like the video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.